When you have one of these tiny straws that you hook to that you put on your Deoxit F5, by the way, you don't want to use any contact cleaner on a potentiometer. That's going to ruin them. It's going to dry them out, and there's certain pieces in that potentiometer that will deteriorate faster if you use just contact cleaner. So try to use a combo cleaner, lubrication when you're doing it. Now I'll admit on some of these potentiometers, they're hard to get to, so what you do is you put a curl in this. So you run some copper wiring. You can get this out of a good transformer, or you can find copper wire, but it's got to be copper wire. And what you want to do is you want to bend this where you can actually get underneath some of this stuff. And then of course you want to heat it. You want to heat that. Okay, so it'll maintain its shape. There you go. Alright. Now, you can curl it on some more. It's not hot. You can certainly curl it on. You don't even need a hot air. You can use a cigarette lighter to do this. Okay? You don't want to overheat it that you put a hole there. Don't want to do that. I'm just going to heat it just a little bit more. And that way you can redirect the spray into the holes of the potentiometer, and especially if they're on the bottom. Okay.